Alright guys, it is October 2020, pandemic season. I don't know if you would call it that. But we got the new Battlbox for October. This was a gift to me from my brother. This one I saw online that, the company was potentially adding free stuff to some of the boxes. Cash, maybe more gear. I'm not even sure. I want to say this is a $50 box, but I wanted to go through and show you guys what's in the $50 battle box for the month of October. So let's go ahead and start opening this up. I haven't even opened this yet, so we'll see what's in here. So one side of the tape. There's two sides of the tape. And then somewhere there it is. There's three sides of the tape. Let's see what's in here. This is called Battlbox Mission Brief 68. Start taking a look at this. So it kind of covers some of the gear that's going to be in here. So I can see, it looks like I can see the tank, which at least is telling me that this is the advanced box. So let's check out what's in here. Okay, so we got Southern Survival 2-pack screw-gate locking carabiners. And supposedly these are real carabiners that you can actually use for climbing. So they're actually high strength, lockable, up to 5,500 pounds. That's cool. I mean, you can probably tie some stuff up and make some simple little machines where you can, pull your gear up a tree or something so for the bears not to get it. So let's put this, we'll put that to the side. Next we have, this is a fire suppression device, fire extinguisher, and it has a little clip. That's pretty cool to keep in your car and whatnot if you have a little fire going. It's a little tiny fire extinguisher, a liquid fire extinguisher. Next, we have, these are the Battle Tack gear pouch. It's just a little add-on for your gear. And I got the, what is this, a desert tan color. Yeah, you can add this. You can add this to your backpack, and then you can use it to carry, like, I don't know, like a magazine or something like that. Just a little mag pouch. That's pretty cool. Add that to one of my backpacks. Maybe add it to one of the backpacks, and then like one of the bags I carry in the car, and then I can put this in there. I'm sure it'll fit. It'll fit in there. Next we have, this is hot snot. This is to help you make fires, and it's like a gel that comes in a tube, and it's supposed to be able to light even when under like wet conditions and stuff like that. This would be something to try out later on. Make a little video about this. Yeah, this is like an accelerant. It's pretty cool stuff. I've seen a video on this before. And then so this is pretty cool. This is like a military grade gasoline can. And this is all metal, even the little filler neck is metal. You know, in an emergency or something, if you need to fill up some gas. And it's pretty cool because this does look like it's leak proof. It comes with a little pin. And left that. Once you have that off, you should be able to attach your little metal spout here. Looks pretty cool. Pretty cool metal design. And let me see, I think there's one more thing. Yeah, there's one more thing inside of the box here. Bring this out there to the side. Let me see. And we got a patch. And this is a patch of one of the vehicles, I think, on the Battlebox show. It's a Velcro patch. That's pretty cool. And yeah, that's what we have in, I think this is a Pro box. And this advertisement in here. But yeah, that's pretty cool. So that was the Pro box for October 2020. And hopefully we'll see videos from other people that might have won some stuff. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching the unboxing. I'll be making more videos about the stuff that was in here, maybe, you know, using some of it. Anyways, thanks for watching the unboxing of the Battlebox, and we'll see you guys again later on.